And we will get you back out. This is more of the highlights there from the Kyle Rittenhouse trial. Obviously, huge demand for it. We continue to see our numbers climbing, even on the replay here from yesterday's closing arguments with the prosecution and, of course, the defense. Let's keep our coverage going right now. Let's go out live to Kenosha, where we find Fox 6's Amelia Jones live here with us just moments before the jury begins official deliberations.
Good morning, and all 18 jurors who have heard the testimony throughout this trial will be back at the courthouse in about 10 minutes. And from there, then 12 jurors will be randomly selected out of a tumbler, and that's when deliberations will begin. And of course, another long day ahead for these jurors. After you all just watched the replay, they heard hours of closing arguments yesterday. Those highlights of Assistant District Attorney Thomas Binger continuing to argue that Rittenhouse provoked the incident that led to last summer's shooting, where he shot 3 people and killed 2 of them. But then the defense attorney, Mark Richards, standing his ground, saying that his client, all of his actions were in self-defense. And even throughout those closing arguments, we heard defense attorney Richards call on the prosecution, saying that the state changed their approach in their closing arguments because of state witnesses, and that testimony supported the defense's claims. Once again, all of the testimony and arguments have been heard. It's now all up to a jury. All 18 of them will be here in the courthouse, in the courtroom, 12 of them randomly selected, and that's when deliberations will begin. And the jury, they'll be given a 36-page document. That's how long the jury instructions are for them. And they'll go through count by count and see if Rittenhouse is guilty for the charges he's crimed with, or if he's not guilty. And yesterday, when we saw the prosecution and the defense and the judge go over these jury instructions, they are very nitpicky about the language included in them. Right now, Rittenhouse faces 5 charges. 1 was dropped yesterday before closing arguments, a gun-related charge. At the beginning of the trial, Rittenhouse faced 7 charges. Another one was dropped mid-trial, and that was for violating curfew. And the judge dropped that one because he said the prosecution did not provide enough evidence to support it. Again, we're not sure how long jury deliberations could take, but we do expect it to take at least a couple days, and that will begin, as I mentioned, in about 10 minutes.
Yeah, we'll all be on verdict watch. Thank you so much, Amelia Jones, for breaking it all down for us today. We totally appreciate it there. And of